Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to explain about the Jira. It is one of the most popular and powerful, widely used issue tracking and management tool across the industry. And in today's fast-paced development environment, teams need to have a collaborate efficiently, track progress and deliver projects on time. Jira is developed by an Atlassian company, helps teams to exactly that by providing a platform to plan, track, and manage software projects in an organized way. And what is Jira? Jira is a project management and issue tracking software used mainly by software development, IT, and business teams. It helps in tracking bugs, managing tasks, and monitoring progress. And originally, it is created for bug tracking, but Jira has now evolved into a complete agile project management platform. And we can continue this more detailedly in the upcoming slides. What is Jira? So Jira is mainly used for the task management, planning and collaboration. It is mainly used for the project management and issue tracking as mentioned in the previous slide, and it helps in tracking the bugs and managing tasks and monitoring tasks and taking the project progress. And originally it is created for bug tracking, but Jira has now evolved into complete agile project management platform. The main objective of the Jira is to track the issues tasks efficiently, to support agile methodologies, Scrum, Kanban, and to improve the collaboration and communication, and to provide a real-time progress and reporting. And look in next. Okay, now we are going to detail explanation of the Jira. The main initial setup is like we have to create an Atlassian account because the Jira is developed by the Atlassian company and with an email verification. And we have to choose whether we have to develop with this in using a Scrum or Kanban or any predefined templates. So we can configure that settings and after agreeing the permissions we can able to set up the Jira. I will show that in the last slides where we can see the tool demo. And the major things are roadmap, backlog, board, and integration. Where this roadmap is just a strategic plan and timeline, where the backlogs where is comprehensive list of the issues and tasks, and the workflow is to do in progress and done. We can able to shift it, and the integration we can connect it with the Git or GitHub or Bitbucket, and the main workflow hierarchy is epics, sprints, user stories. Epics are just a large bodies of work that span multiple sprints and represent major features. Sprints are the time period, and the user stories are the features from the user's perspective. It is called as a complete sprint. And next, Scrum versus Kanban is the major differences between Scrum and Kanban. We can able to select which template is suitable for our issue tracking and our agile planning. These are the origin. The Scrum is mainly for the software development and Kanban is for the linear manufacturing. The methodology used by Scrum is fixed length sprints and Kanban is for continuous flow. Key practices are sprint planning, daily stand-ups, reviews and all. And Kanban is for workflow. And the main roles from this Scrum are owner, master or team. And the Kanban is specified not to roles. We can able to specify. And the administration and configuration, like we can able to see the workflows, dashboard, reports and scheme. This will be detailedly explained in the tool demo, where in the schemes we can able to see the issue type, permission, notification and security, and apply the consistent schemes across the multiple projects. In the custom workflow we can able to design the custom approval process and status transition, and match your team's unique development life cycle. In dashboard we can see the metrics, real-time tracking capabilities and all. Like these are the issue types and key attributes. In Jira, all work items are called as issues. The types of issues are task, bug, story, and epic. Let us go deep into the each one of the thing. The task is just a piece of work to complete, and the bug is a defect to fix, and story is a user requirement, and an epic is a large feature made up of multiple stories. And the major key attributes for the bug is the summary, description, status, and task is assignee, reporter, priority, and the stories, labels, components, due date. An epic is a custom fields for specific needs. When the issue is created we can able to go into the in progress. When it is completed we can make it as a work completed, so they can view that our issue is in which state. In the about the progress they can view. For example, if the epic is user login system, the stories are design login or build backend API. And the main workflow is each issue goes through a life cycle known as a workflow. And typical workflow stages are to do, in progress, in review, undone. These are all discussed in the previous slides. And boards are this Kanban board are the boards we already discussed before. And when we are creating a task, first we have to create a new issue, like there is a create button and enter a clear summary. And in the organize components, we can able to organize the modules, APIs or services. And then in break down the subtasks, we can divide the complex subtask into the simple to enhance the modularity of the issue. And this is the major things of the Jira workflow and all. Uh, and after this, I am going to tell about the tool demo. Before that, we can have a quick summary about what we have discussed in this PPT. First, we covered the topics like how to enhance or establish the efficient workflows and leveraging the plugins like automation script or BigGAN. And we use the powerful reports analytics include a burn down and flowcharts to gain insights and drive decision making. By implementing these, we can able to have a greater collaboration and enhance the speed and all. And this is all about the basic description about how Jira works and all. Now I'm going to tell about the tool description. See, this is the basic after the signing up into your Atlassian account. This is the basic web page where we can see the Jira. We can choose this software development, project management, or anything, whatever you want. You can click. I click the software development. After the well taking the software, we can able to select which team plan we are going to use in the software development, like managing tasks or tracking bugs or prioritizing works and all. After the selection, we can go to this, like here is just support, like I choose like a create a chatbot support for the customer support. It is a simple task we created that we can see in the board. All I already discussed the workflow as to do, in progress, in review, undone. For in to do, there is a develop front end interface, and in progress there is a personality, in review there is user flow. The people who are able to access the Jira, they can able to view the task in the board. And in list, we can able to see what are the type and key, summary and status, whether the what task is in which status. And we can able to create a new also if we want, that is there in list. In summary, we know that the description of the chatbot for customer support is displayed there. And in timeline, we can see the months and weeks, how many days it will take to clear that, or all we can see in this. And in code, we can connect it to the GitLab or Bitbucket as mentioned in the previous description about the Jira. Here we can able to do the code collaboratively. And in forms, we can able to collect and track the work request. We can create a form and we can fill the details and we can prioritize the work. And after the pages, here we can able to capture the team knowledge and improve the way to get work done. And here are the simple pages like recent stat apps plans on the left side of the chartboard. For customer support, we can able to select dashboard where or whichever you want. This is the simple example of creating a chartboard for customer support using the Jira. Okay, now I conclude that I have completed the description about the Jira and I showed the tool demonstration. And let us have a quick summary what we have discussed. Jira is a project management that is developed by the Atlassian, and it supports the agile methods like Scrum and Kanban. And the core elements are projects, issues, workflows, boards, and reports. It helps in sprint planning, progress tracking, and team collaboration. Widely used by software, IT, and business teams across industries. And I conclude with this and thank you for this opportunity.